Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 and 4 series BMW, guys, today will be super helpful video. We will explain, guys, where the VALVETRONIC motor is located and how to get to it. Stay with us, guys, and we'll explain all that today. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, guys, we make more than 200 videos, guys. And on a BMW 3 and 4 series, probably we'll have close to 300-400 videos on our channels. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing those free videos to you guys and teach you how to fix your car for free on your own. If you guys need to buy a new replacement VALVETRONIC motor, any parts, any tools for your BMW that we use in the videos, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So what we got right here, 2013 320i, but if you have a BMW 320, 328, 420, 428, guys, it should apply to all of these. Now, as you can see, guys, we need to open the hood, and right here, okay, let me position the camera like that so I can remove the engine cover. The top engine cover will need to come out. Okay, this cover. We have 3 mounts now, one here, and one over there. We just pull it up, okay, until they release. Now we have two plastic guides on the back side. You need to slide those out, and let me show you where the mounts are located facing forward. 1, 2, 3. And the plastic guides that slide in the back of the engine are those right here. Careful not to break them, guys. Now I will go ahead and remove that cover here, and let me show you guys, okay, where the VALVETRONIC motor is located. Looking at the engine, this is your valve cover, guys. Okay, now right here, if you look at the valve cover, in the middle of it, between cylinder number 2 and 3, you have, guys, VALVETRONIC motor right here. This is your VALVETRONIC motor. So that VALVETRONIC motor, guys, if you want to see how to replace it, we have the complete video on our main channel, how to repair, guys. Check it out, guys. The whole video will be there on how to repair, guys. The mechanical videos are there, and we even finished a timing chain replacement video on that N20 engine that failed at only 87,000 miles. So check out the video, guys. And if you want to see electrical videos, diagnosing electrical system, engine light, airbag light, codes, those will be listed on our third channel, guys, that mostly contains electrical videos, and it's called Electrical Car Repair Live, so please check it out, guys. Now right here, guys, this is okay, this is the engine right here, and as I said, VALVETRONIC motor is right here, but you cannot remove it, guys. That's simple. You have to remove the whole valve cover in order to get to the motor, and we have the video on the how to repair, guys, as I said, because you have to remove and disconnect fuel lines. Very dangerous, guys. Make sure you don't catch on fire. We talk about that in our replacement video. You have to remove the high pressure fuel pump, you have to disconnect the fuel rail system, remove, disconnect the coils, flip the wires, guys, disconnect your brake vacuum pump, and then pull that cover, and a few more things needs to be done in the way, and you can get to that VALVETRONIC motor. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.